We begin tonight with a disturbing story about the treatment of a woman in a Quebec hospital. She recorded video of staff making racist and callous remarks about her while she lay in bed pleading for help. A short time later, she died. Joyce Echaquan, an Indigenous woman, started recording on Facebook Live as she listened to staff insult her, call her stupid, and question her life choices. Her case has led to demands for answers, and the call has reached the highest levels.
What happened is totally unacceptable. There will be an inquiry, 2 inquiries in fact, and the nurses did something unacceptable and she is being fired.
There are lots of questions, including whether she was denied medical treatment and whether this is part of a pattern of behavior at that hospital. We're going to play portions of the video. Had Echaquan not recorded it just before she died, her story likely would have gone unnoticed. Felicia Perillo has our top story tonight.
Tied to a hospital bed in the moments before she passed away, Joyce Echaquan pleaded for help. Instead, she received shocking and racist remarks from hospital staff.
Pense à eux autres un peu.
37-year-old Echaquan was brought to a hospital in Joliette, Quebec on Saturday by ambulance. On Monday, while in crisis, she started recording live on Facebook. There are reports that she suffered from heart issues and had a reaction to morphine she was given. The mother of 7 died soon after. Quebec's coroner's office announced it will investigate the circumstances surrounding her death. Members of the Atikamekw community that Echaquan was part of gathered to mourn. A community band council member said there needs to be justice for Joyce. Reaction to the incident was swift. During a press conference on Tuesday, Quebec Premier François Legault denounced the incident, saying a nurse has been fired and 2 different investigations are underway. But when asked if this was an example of systemic racism in Quebec, he denied that existed.
I really don't think that we have this kind of way of dealing with First Nation people in our hospitals in Quebec.
But some beg to differ. The executive director of the Native Women's Shelter in Montreal says discrimination against Indigenous peoples in the province is present and needs to be addressed quickly.
This is the norm. That's the problem. And it's only when it's recorded that everyone gets to see it. But it's, you know, if you're not lucky enough to have a cell phone to record it, then, you know, does it happen?
Multiple vigils and demonstrations are planned in honor of Echaquan, including a protest in Montreal on Saturday. Felicia Perillo, Global News, Joliette, Quebec.